I cannot fail. I cannot fail. I cannot fail. There's too much at stake for me to fail or to fall and remain on the ground. I cannot fail. I am the answer to the prayers of many generations before me. I can't fail. The cost is too high. I cannot fail.
And if you're here, that makes you a Pearlings. So hi, Pearlings.
So if he likes, he comes to God. If he likes, he should not come to God. Blah, blah, blah. I will not be in God. I've sent a letter of adjustment. So when the matter comes on, the registrar will inform the governor when he receives, and you file that letter. The case, let it be struck out and I be discharged and I pay the bill. It's a legal again of foundation and then compounded offense. When you compound an offense, what do you do?
Being pleaded guilty with reason. Why Aisha pleaded guilty? Appeal doesn't right to appeal to the Supreme Court. Right to appeal that you have right to appeal.
Absence of all the other exceptions that we have earlier mentioned. Obtained here is that when he makes this type of plea, within the time that he was insane, then the court shall go ahead and remand him at the place of the president or governor without moving into trial. But that is not to say that he will go. So now that brings us to two situations now, whereby you may commit an offense when you are sane, but upon arraignment, if you become insane, the court will remind you. When somebody enters a plea of not guilty by reason of insanity. Alright, the accused may also exercise the next option of pleading either ultra-foil acquit or ultra-foil convict. This happen upon arraignment, meaning the matter has not started. Those are exam areas. However, don't overlook other options. You have a great nitrous and take care of yourselves.
It went okay. It was 50 questions. I got like 37. After I'm done with this thing, I'll call you back. After I'm done with this, I'm Alright now. Bye.
Because they were high. The ones we hear them say, carry this motor, come here. Enter this car. This was high.
So that's why they stopped you too.
Be the best. Will you like to tell your neighbor choose to be the best? The court place reliance of Uwogugu. How many of us remember Uwogugu? Okay.
Good morning, no. I'm here.
A mortgage charge is created on real estate assets such as land or buildings.